Welcome to our little piece of paradise in the southwest France. Levigeon and Le Jourdain, two beautiful villages divided by a river Vienne and built on a little hills. With stone cottages, a little fort on an island, an old church, this place has it all. This is why we fell in love with this town. The cherry on the cake must be the old viaduct, with stunning views over the river and both villages. It's just beautiful. I don't think we will never get bored of that view. You can actually see a roof of our house from here. During the summer, people from all over France come here for bungee jumping. You can imagine how high it must be. I came to this town to view a completely different property, but my agent also showed me this house. It was so overgrown we couldn't even get into the driveway or walk around the gardens. But I could easily and quickly see the potential and what we can do with this place in the future. We had everything we wanted, a part of garage for my husband, but at least has enough land to build a garage in the future. I viewed this house on my own. My husband Mark was still in the UK. I had to make loads of video calls so Mark could see the place. The house stood empty for 10 years and needed renovation, but a renovation project was always on our list. I've also found out from our estate agent that the house next door is included in the price. So there were two houses for the price of one. We could not miss this opportunity. I called Mark and told him we're gonna have to make an offer today. We made an offer same day and it was accepted. That's us on the ferry to France. I'm happy and excited about the new challenge, and Mark worried about the amount of work. That's us. This was our first kitchen. It was very basic, and our first cup of tea never tasted better. And this is when our work began. We had 3 months from making an offer to collecting the keys, so we planned our renovation in advance. We employed an electrician and a plasterer, but everything else we wanted to do ourselves. We wanted this to be our project. We knew it would be hard, but it will definitely be worth it in the end. After cutting down all of the bushes and brambles, we discovered a well in our garden. We have never had a well before, and didn't expect one here neither. So we were very excited to try it out and see if there was any water inside.
Coming, it's coming. Let's grab it. Yay!
The plan was to first renovate one of the houses and open as a gite as soon as possible so I could move into France permanently in July 2023. Mark would follow me few months later. We were still traveling between France and UK and could only come to France for a maximum of 2 weeks at a time. So we worked long hours every day to finish on time. It was hard work, but we loved every minute of it. Oh, we argued a lot, and we also laughed a lot, and met fantastic people. Finally, in August 2023, our retreat was ready to welcome our first guests. We couldn't be more happier when we received our first 5-star review. We were very proud of ourselves. Since opening, we welcomed many guests, and every single one of them gave us amazing feedback. Our dream finally come true, and we found our own place in the sun. We live in a great community, surrounded by amazing people. We all come as one. Every summer, we organize our summer market for local artisans, and last year we also have a Christmas fair. Night before, we all came out to decorate the street and to drink mulled wine together. We love living here. Our neighbors are very friendly, and all of them made us feel very welcome. We are definitely here to stay. I hope you will also find your own place in the sun.